Hey everyone, today I have my Tesla Model Y right over here, and I have the FSD active right now with the autopilot on, and I have set my destination to the supercharger, and it is taking me there. Now, we are going to be testing out the auto parking feature of this car and see how well it performs. And I am also going to be showing you guys the drone view from above so that we can see how well it parks. So let's check it out. Alright, so as you can see, my Tesla is coming right through, and I have highlighted this spot in red in which I'm going to be parking at. So in our screen, as you can see, it is showing all the surrounding locations where I can park, marked in gray, and I have selected the spot which is highlighted in blue. And make sure your car is fully stopped in order to start the self-parking. So we can press the blue button to start. It will show us like a little path, and then now it will start auto parking. So let's see how efficiently it does the auto parking. Alright, so now that our auto parking has finished, let's check out the results. So as you can see, I have marked up these 5 cars that are in line, and my car is in the middle. And as you can see, it has done a superb job in parking. It is parked in the center. And the rest of the cars, let's see. So the one on the very right, the red Tesla, it has done an awful job, like a terrible parking, and it's not even autopilot, it's manual parking. And then the rest of the cars, like the white one, the red one, the black one, they've done like a better job, but it is not as efficient as my car in the middle. So it is safe to say that the Tesla's auto parking feature is very nice, and it does a superb job at parking. Like the AI built inside of this car is perfect for parking. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you did enjoy, make sure to drop a like and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next time.